Before dawn, California's Central Valley awakens, kissed by the first gentle hints of sunlight. A golden hue begins to paint the agricultural landscape, promising a day of growth and abundance. As the light strengthens, it reveals endless rows of almond trees, stretching as far as the eye can see, a testament to nature's bounty and human cultivation. This is the heart of the world's almond industry, a region that feeds the planet's insatiable appetite for this nutritious nut. Over 1 million acres, a sea of green stretching across the Californian landscape. It's a scale that's hard to truly grasp. This vast expanse is responsible for producing 80% of the planet's almonds, a truly remarkable feat of agricultural production. The scale is staggering, a testament to the dedication and innovation of California's farmers. When you reach for a handful of almonds, chances are 4 out of every 5 almonds you eat likely started their journey right here, under the California sun. These orchards are more than just farms. They represent a complex and interconnected ecosystem. They're vast, meticulously managed systems, where every detail, from irrigation to pollination, is carefully considered. Each tree is a cog in a global supply chain, playing a vital role in bringing this healthy snack to tables around the world. The silence before the day's work begins is profound, a moment of tranquility before the bustle. A calm before the storm of activity that will soon engulf these orchards as the harvest season approaches. California's unique climate, with its predictable seasons, makes this agricultural marvel possible. The region's hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters provide the ideal conditions for almond trees to thrive. Every tree is planted with purpose and intention, a testament to the farmer's vision. Each one is carefully nurtured from a fragile sapling to a mature fruit-bearing producer. As the sun rises higher in the sky, long shadows stretch across the neat rows of trees, creating a beautiful geometric pattern. It's signaling the start of another day of growth, cultivation, and hard work. Soon, this peaceful landscape will transform into a hive of activity, buzzing with the energy of the upcoming harvest. The incredible journey of the almond from blossom to bag is about to begin. Let's follow it step by step from the first light of sunrise to its final destination on the shelf. As February arrives, a magical transformation unfolds across the almond orchards. The trees awaken, bursting into a breathtaking sea of white and pink blossoms, a truly spectacular view that captivates the eye. It's a short-lived spectacle, a fleeting moment of natural beauty. This floral display isn't just beautiful, it's more than just a pretty picture. It's absolutely essential to the almond's life cycle. Each and every blossom must be successfully pollinated to produce a healthy, delicious nut. The future harvest depends on it. Enter the honeybees, the unsung heroes of this process. To ensure adequate pollination, nearly 2 million colonies are brought in from all corners of the country, making this the world's largest managed pollination event, a logistical marvel of modern agriculture. The air hums with the sound of billions of wings, a constant, vibrant buzz that fills the orchards. Bees diligently flit from flower to flower, their bodies dusted with the golden pollen, performing their vital task. Farmers and beekeepers work closely together, a partnership built on mutual benefit and respect. The bees get an early season source of food, rich in nectar and pollen, while the farmers get a bountiful crop of almonds. Without these buzzing workers and their tireless efforts, there would simply be no almonds as we know them. Farmers understand the importance of these pollinators and carefully protect the bees, adjusting their farming practices to ensure the bees remain safe and healthy throughout the bloom season. It's a perfect example of how nature and agriculture can work harmoniously, supporting each other for a sustainable future. As the delicate petals begin to fall, signaling the end of the bloom, the bees prepare to move on to their next destination, leaving behind the tiny beginnings of the next almond crop, the promise of a bountiful harvest to come. With the pollination complete, the real work of nurturing and growing the almonds is about to begin, demanding dedication and expertise. The valley readies itself for the next crucial phase in the almond's journey, from blossom to table. After pollination, tiny almonds begin to grow encased in fuzzy green hulls. Summer in California is hot and dry, water is precious, and farmers use high-tech irrigation to deliver every drop efficiently. Drip systems and soil sensors ensure trees get exactly what they need, minimizing waste. Sustainability is key. Farmers use cover crops, beneficial insects, and careful soil management. They walk the rows, monitor trees, and balance crop needs with environmental responsibility. As summer ends, hulls harden and split. A sign harvest is near. The quiet, steady work of summer is almost done. Soon the valley will erupt in the noise of harvest. The countdown to picking begins. By late summer, the valley buzzes with anticipation. The almonds are ready. Enter the tree shaker, a machine that clamps each trunk and vibrates it, sending almonds raining to the ground. It's a noisy, dusty, and highly efficient process, replacing weeks of hand labor with hours of mechanized precision. Timing is everything. Farmers race to harvest before autumn rains threaten the crop. Teams of shakers work dawn to dusk, orchestrating a massive, coordinated effort. The orchard floor becomes a carpet of almonds, sunlit and ready for the next step. The trees stand bare, their work for the year complete. But for the almonds, the journey continues. The harvest's first act is done, but the process is far from over. The valley shifts from shaking to drying. The next phase is all about the sun. The almond's transformation is just beginning. Let's see what happens next. After shaking, almonds are left on the orchard floor to dry in the California sun for up to 10 days. Farmers use sweepers to gather nuts into neat windrows, exposing them evenly to sun and air. This natural drying is crucial for storage and quality. Farmers check moisture levels by hand, waiting for the perfect dryness. When ready, harvesters pick up the almonds, using fans to clean away debris right in the field. The process is quiet, methodical, and efficient, a pause between the chaos of shaking and the rush of processing. Each step is timed to perfection. Once dry, the almonds are ready for their next journey. From sunbathing to the huller, the pace picks up again. The valley's harvest moves forward. Dried almonds are loaded onto trucks and moved to staging areas or receiving stations. Here, tons of almonds from hundreds of orchards are coordinated for transport to huller-sheller facilities. Massive stockpiles form, mountains of almonds, carefully managed and aerated to prevent spoilage. This is the raw material for the year, the result of months of work. The logistics are impressive. Machines, drivers, and operators keep the flow moving. From orchard to huller, timing is everything. The almonds are about to be transformed from field crop to food. The industrial side of the journey begins. The next stop, the huller-sheller. Let's see how almonds become ready for the world. Once harvested, the almonds embark on their next adventure, the journey from shell to shelf. Inside the huller-sheller, a marvel of modern agricultural engineering, almonds are fed into a complex maze of machines. These machines are designed to gently, yet efficiently, process the nuts. First, the process of hulling removes the fuzzy outer layer that protects the almond. Remarkably, these hulls don't go to waste. Instead, they become a valuable source of livestock feed, nourishing animals. Next up is shelling, a process where specialized machinery carefully cracks the hard outer shell of the almond. This cracking action is carefully calibrated to free the delicate kernel inside, ensuring it remains intact and undamaged. The shells themselves are not discarded. Instead, they are repurposed as bedding for livestock. In some cases, they're even used as a clean and sustainable fuel source, contributing to a circular economy. The kernels are then meticulously sorted by size, and thoroughly cleaned to meet the highest standards. Each and every almond is scanned by high-speed cameras and sorted by powerful air jets, ensuring only the best make the cut. This is quality control at its finest. This commitment to sustainability means every single part of the almond is put to good use. Nothing goes to waste in this process. The almonds are then graded meticulously, based on both their size and overall quality. To create a variety of products, some almonds are further processed into different forms, while others are carefully packed and prepared to be sold whole. The finished almonds are precisely weighed, securely packed, and then shipped to destinations worldwide, ready to be enjoyed. The journey begins each day with the sunrise over the vast orchards, and continues with the constant hum and roar of the processing plant. From the initial harvest to the final processing, the almond's journey showcases a remarkable combination of nature's bounty, cutting-edge technology, and dedicated teamwork. Bathed in California's abundant sunshine and nurtured by its fertile soil, the almonds thrive. It's the hard work and dedication of people that ultimately bring this humble nut from the farm to tables everywhere, nourishing families and communities. The story of the almond is a testament to innovation in agriculture, strong partnerships across the industry, and its ever-expanding global reach. From the almond tree to the store shelf, it's a fascinating journey, and one that's truly worth savoring with every bite. And it all starts with the